Okay, here I am back up on my property, Baldwin, Michigan, to show you some storm damage. Actually, at my property, couldn't drive onto it, but I walked, climbed through the trees and the damage to get here. But yeah, this is the road I live on, where my drive is, and that's blocked. That's across the street, all them trees down. This is going the other way on my road, so that's blocked. You can see on the cross street over there where my van is, I was able to get up to that point. Couldn't even go any further on that street. Yeah, I was just fortunate that my sister and brother-in-law had me over for dinner that night, because yeah, it wouldn't have been pretty, and I would have been stuck here for some time, because this is my property that I'm walking onto now. That's trees that are bowled over the driveway, because this tree was knocked down and are bending them over. So that's the driveway entrance. And here we go. There's some little other trees that were knocked down over there. Another one there. A good sized one back in there. There's more down further that it's too thick to see. Oh my goodness. I didn't know that big thing came down. There's a big old tree back in there that came down. Wow. Oh yeah, that's one that's over the road. Yeah. So, come on, take a walk over there. Hope I'm not responsible for cleaning this up. Purple mushrooms. Huh. Are those Alice in Wonderland specials or what? Ooh, there's a big hole. A groundhog or something. Wow. Check out this tree. I don't want to make this too long. I just want to show you the size of this tree that came down. I want to check out the root system. Wow. Wow, did that leave a mark? My goodness. Huh. More trees down there. Okay, everybody, well, have a good day. I just wanted to show you a little more in depth of the damage here. Bye for now.